Third one is a simple simple columnar epithelial. Simple columnar epithelial membrane. So this is a third layer of the epithelial tissue. So the simple columnar, nothing but simple means, again we know that simple means single. Columnar means columnar like structure. Epithelial means upon the particular surface of the body organs. These are also made up of a single layer. Clear. The cells are look like columnar like structure. Clear. These containing ovoid nucleus and containing as well as glia cells are present. Containing glia cells. What is the glia cell? It is a secretion of mucus. What is a very important character? The simple columnar epithelial is, simple means a single, columnar nothing but columnar like structure. The cells are look like columnar like structure. So these are made up of single layer. Single layer, yes or no? Single layer containing which type of nucleus? Containing ovoid nucleus. Containing ovoid nucleus is present. Where it is present? In the middle, the center of the cell. The center of the cell containing ovoid nucleus. You can write the center of the nucleus, center of the cell containing ovoid nucleus. So, and as well as secretion of the glia cells. Sorry, not a glia cells. It is a okay. So this one enough. The simple columnar epithelium further divided into two types. What is that? Simple ciliated epithelial membrane. First one, simple ciliated epithelial membrane. Second one is simple non-ciliated. Simple ciliated, simple non-ciliated. These two different type of epitheliums are present. According to their arrangement, according to their cilia, these are can be classified into two types. The simple ciliated epithelial membrane. The simple ciliated epithelial membrane, nothing but the epithelial, nothing but the single layer containing cilia, like this. It's a columnar like structure, very large in size. Columnar like nothing but very large in size. So this will look like a columnar like structure. Which type of cells are there? These are containing very large ovoid nucleus is there. Yes, ovoid nucleus is present. Clear. One point is completed. Say 2 point also completed. Third one is it is containing cilia. Cilia nothing but hair like structure. Where it is located? On surface of the cell. On surface of the cell. So this type of cells are called as a simple ciliated epithelial membrane. Yes. What is that? Simple ciliated epithelial membrane. These membranes are located. These membranes are look like a columnar like structure, but it containing cilia are located in the on surface of the cell. On surface of the cell. That is called a simple ciliated epithelial membrane. Next, the simple non-ciliated epithelial membrane means there is absence of cilia. There is absence of cilia on surface of the epithelial membrane. There is absence of cilia. These are also look like a columnar, same, but they are lacking of the cilia. They look like same, but these are lacking of the cilia. Ovoid nucleus, yes, but they are lacking of the cilia. So the examples of the ciliated and non-ciliated is, I will give the example F, B, B and S. F, B, B and S. Clear. Next one, the ciliated is, I will give the example of S and I. Before I will give the example, what is the examination? Give you the example. What is the difference in between of these two one? First one, the simple columnar, nothing but these cells are look like a columnar like structure, very large in size. It is a single layer. It is also made up of single layer. The cells containing one of the large nucleus look like a ovoid like structure. According to their cilia, according to columnar, their cilia can be classified into two types: simple ciliated and simple non-ciliated. The simple ciliated is consistent of, it is look like a columnar like structure containing ovoid nucleus, but on surface of this cell containing what is the cilia are present, containing Cilias are present. Cilias are present. Non-ciliated epithelial membrane, these are completely lacking of the cilia. So this is the difference in between of ciliated and non-ciliated. So the examples of the FBB, simple ciliated, FBBVSC. F for fallopian tubule. Fallopian tubes in female reproductive system. The eggs are, the ovaries are completely stored on the fallopian tube. Clear? So B for what is that? B for branchiae. Branchiae. Branchiae nothing but what is the respiratory tract. BV means ventricles of the brain. Sorry, ventricles of the brain. The SC for spinal cord. Spinal cord. What I am saying, the simple ciliated epithelial membranes are located in answer. This is one is a the simple ciliated epithelial membrane is located. This one is fallopian tube. Yes, this fallopian tube on surface located more number of the simple ciliated membranes are there. Yes. So this is known as a branchiae. So the branchiae on surface of the branchiae containing what are they? Simple ciliated epithelial membrane. So this is the ventricles of the brain. The ventricle brain surface of the ventricle containing more number of the simple ciliated epithelial membranes are there. Next one, spinal cord. The spinal cord also containing more number of the simple ciliated epithelial membrane. Nothing but is completely the outer surface. The outer surface of the organ, the outer surface of the organs are completely covered by these membranes. That is called simple ciliated columnar epithelial membrane. Next one, simple non-ciliated epithelial membrane. Example SI. S for stomach, I for intestine. So these are present in stomach and intestine. So the stomach and intestine containing more number of the simple non-ciliated. The simple ciliated presence in fallopian tube, branchiae, ventricles and spinal cord. Clear? Next we will move forward. What is that? Compound epithelium. Compound epithelium. So what is the compound epithelial membrane? So the compound epithelial membrane can be classified into 5 types. So what is that? What is the meaning of the compound epithelium? Simple means single. Compound means this membrane epithelium is made up of 2 or more cells. The 2 or more cells are combined together to form a compound or complex. The complex is known as a compound epithelial membrane. With the containing 2 or more cells. That is called as a compound epithelium. First one is, this can be classified into 5 types. First classification is simple. So nothing but you can write is a stratified keratinized epithelial membrane. First one is very important. Stratified keratinized epithelium. Epithelium nothing but upper. Stratified keratinized. Keratin is one of the protein. Keratin is one of the protein. So it is even in the hard protein. This epithelium is made up of the hard protein. Okay. Where it is located? This is located on surface of the. Where it is located? I will give the best code of you. Simple. Where is that located? Located on surface of the skin. Surface of the skin. What is that? Hair and etc. These are made up of the stratified keratinized. Stratified and keratinized epithelial membrane. Second one is stratified non-keratinized. Stratified and non-keratinized epithelium. Second one is stratified. Means non-keratinized means there is no protein is there. Stratified non-keratinized. Stratified non-keratinized means there is no keratinized protein is present on epithelial membrane. So the examples of the stratified non-keratinized epithelial membrane is located in the buccal cavity, pharynx, larynx, esophagus. So there is no keratinized protein. So keratinized protein is very hard substance. The nails are also containing. The nail also containing keratin protein. Very hard, rigid material that is known as keratin. So this stratified epithelial membrane is located in the buccal cavity. The wall of the complete the layer and lining of the buccal cavity. And buccal cavity, pharynx, esophagus, larynx, and etc. These are completely lined by these regions are completely lined by, these areas are lined by non-keratinized stratified epithelial membrane. The third one is, what is that? Keratinized cuboidal epithelial membrane. Stratified cuboidal epithelial membrane. Stratified cuboidal epithelial membrane is located is particular on glands region. Is located cuboidal cube-like structure. These cells are look like a cube-like structure. Where it is located? These are located in the glands. These are majorly located in glands region. Located on surface. Nothing but the glands are lined by this epithelium. This columnar cuboidal epithelium are lined by stratified cuboidal epithelium. Lined by which one? The glands are lined by the stratified cuboidal epithelial membrane. So which type of glands are they are lined? First one is pancreas gland, pancreas gland, salivary glands, and etc. These glands are completely lined by the stratified cuboidal epithelial membrane. Fourth one is a transitional epithelium. Very, very important. Fourth one is a transitional epithelium. Note down, this example is not given in our textbook. The transitional epithelium membrane, it is transversely arranging on the urinary bladder of the organisms. Transitional epithelial membrane. This type of epithelial membranes are majorly lined in the wall of the urinary bladder. Urinary bladder. The fifth one is most important, very important character. What is that? Pseudo-stratified columnar epithelial membrane. Pseudo-stratified columnar epithelial membrane. Cuboidal or columnar. Pseudo-stratified columnar. Pseudo-stratified columnar epithelial membrane. This membrane is the name of the membrane is pseudo-stratified columnar epithelial membrane. So where it is located? The pseudo-stratified columnar epithelial membrane is located in the vasa differentia of the male individuals. So what is vasa efferentia? The vasa efferentia connects and leads into vasa differentia. The vasa differentia is one of the large duct. It is ascending into the urinary bladder. It is one of the large duct. It carries the sperm and semen. So the sperm and semens are carrying through the vasa differentia. The inner wall of the vasa differentia is made up of pseudo-stratified columnar epithelial membrane. So the pseudo means false. False epithelial membrane or amoeboid-like epithelial membrane. These membranes are useful for prevents what is the mechanical action in between of the sperm and the semen region. So these are completely reducing of friction, completely reducing of the friction in between of this what is the sperm. Where it is located? It is located in the wall of vasa differentia. Vasa differentia. They are located in the wall of the vasa differentia. So this is the information about the compound epithelium.